Norway is a country of contrasts, with a variety of climates and landscapes, from temperate coastal regions to Arctic regions in the north. The climate in Norway varies greatly by region, with hot, dry summers in the south and cold, snowy winters in the north. However, in general, summers are short and cool, with average temperatures around 15 degrees Celsius, while winters are long and cold, with average temperatures around -5 degrees Celsius. Let's start with vacations in the fjords, Norway's main tourist attraction. Norway's fjords have been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site and are famous for their natural beauty. Among the most famous are the Geirangafjord and the Norway, both of which offer a variety of activities such as boat trips, kayaking and fishing, as well as the chance to admire the natural beauty of the region. In addition, some boat trips offer the chance to see whales and dolphins. For lovers of outdoor activities, Norway offers a wide range of options. National parks such as Rondane National Park and Jotunheimen National Park offer a wide range of outdoor activities, such as hiking, biking, and cross-country skiing, as well as the opportunity to admire the natural beauty of the region. In addition, Norway is famous for fishing, both at sea and in the river. It is possible to enjoy sport fishing, but also traditional fishing for survival. In addition, it is one of the best places in the world to observe the Northern Lights. As for the best seasons to visit Norway, it depends on your preferences and the activities you want to practice. Summer is the best time for outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing and wildlife watching. In addition, summer is also the best time to observe the Northern Lights in the Arctic regions of the north of the country. Winter is the best time for winter sports, such as cross-country skiing and snowshoeing. It is also possible to observe the Northern Lights during winter in the country's southernmost regions. For those who enjoy sightseeing, Oslo, the capital of Norway, is a popular tourist destination for its vibrant cultural life and its many museums and cultural attractions. Of these, the Munch Museum, the Royal Palace, and the Viking Museum are particularly famous. The city of Bergen, located on the west coast, is famous for its natural beauty and vibrant cultural life, with many museums and art galleries. The city of Trondheim, located in the Trøndelag region, is famous for its history and architecture, including Nidaros Cathedral and Kristiansten Castle. The city of Troms, located in the north of the country, is famous for its natural beauty, opportunities to watch the Northern Lights, and outdoor activities such as hiking and fishing. Norwegian cuisine is characterized by the use of fresh, seasonal ingredients, such as fresh fish, reindeer meat, game, and seasonal vegetables. One of the most famous specialties of Norwegian cuisine is fårikål, a dish of lamb and cabbage cooked along with potatoes and onions. Other specialties include rakfisk, a smoked fish made from trout or char, and brunost, a soft cheese made from goat's or cow's milk. Norway is also famous for its wildlife, including bears, wolves, moose and eagles. The Arctic region in the north of the country is especially famous for the opportunity to watch orcas and whales. Norway is also famous for its mountain ranges, including the Jotunheimen Mountains, which are famous for their difficulty and beauty. These mountains offer a wide range of activities, such as hiking, mountaineering and ski touring. In addition, Norway is also famous for its waterfalls, including the famous Ringfossen waterfall and Manafossen waterfall. The Lofoten Islands are an archipelago located in northern Norway, famous for the natural beauty of its fjords, mountains and beaches. The Lofoten Islands are a popular tourist attraction in Norway for both nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. One of the main places to visit in the Lofoten Islands is the fishing village of Råbua of Reyna, famous for its characteristic red cottages and scenic location. Other tourist attractions in the Lofoten Islands include the Lofoten Mountains, golden sandy beaches such as Unstad Beach and Utterkleiv, and waterfalls such as Rainbringen Waterfall. In addition, the Lofoten Islands offer a wide range of outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, wildlife watching, and water sports such as surfing and windsurfing. In summer, You can also go on boat trips to watch orcas and whales. As for the best time to visit the Lofoten Islands, it depends on your preferences. Summer offers the best weather conditions and wildlife viewing, while winter offers the unique opportunity to see the northern lights and enjoy winter activities such as cross-country skiing and snowshoeing. Overall, a visit to the Lofoten Islands is an unforgettable experience that will give you the chance to admire the country's natural beauty and enjoy a variety of outdoor activities. Norway is famous for its cruises along its fjords, which offer breathtaking views of the country's natural beauty. Cruises usually depart from the cities of Bergen, Stavanger, and Troms, and travel along major tourist attractions such as the Geiranger, Sonefjord, and Ryfjord fjords, which have been declared UNESCO World Heritage Sites. During the cruise you can see waterfalls, islands, fishing villages, and mountain peaks. You can also take boat trips to observe wildlife, such as orcas and whales. The best time to take a cruise in Norway depends on your preferences. Summer offers the best weather conditions and wildlife viewing, while winter offers the unique opportunity to see the northern lights and sail through the ice. A cruise in Norway is an unforgettable experience that will give you the chance to admire the country's natural beauty and visit the main tourist attractions along the fjords. A vacation in Norway will be unforgettable, offering a unique experience full of surprises. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A like and a share are greatly appreciated. If you like to support our channel, in the video description you will find affiliate products, carefully selected and of quality to make the most of your travels. Thank you very much, the Globe-Trotting Apes team.